Look out, 'cause here I come.
Have you always had trouble with your weight? Sing.
Discover the power of Wegovy.
With Wegovy, I lost 35 pounds. And some lost over 46 pounds.
And I'm keeping the weight off.
I'm reducing my risk.
Wegovy is the only weight management medicine proven to reduce risk of major cardiovascular events such as death, heart attack, or...
This is CNN Breaking News.
We have some breaking news. There is a tsunami warning for parts of California and Oregon after a 7-point...
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey and FEMA. At 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, significant volcanic activity has been detected at the Yellowstone supervolcano. Tremors and ash emissions have been observed, indicating an increased likelihood of an eruption. Residents in the Yellowstone area and surrounding regions are advised to monitor local news and official announcements for further updates. Prepare for potential evacuation. A mandatory evacuation order is in effect for all residents within a 100-mile radius of the volcano. Evacuate immediately and follow the instructions of local authorities. Evacuation routes are being provided through local media channels. Ensure you have your emergency kit and important documents ready. Remain calm and proceed to designated safe zones. An ashfall warning is in effect for the entire Midwest and Eastern United States. Residents are advised to shelter in place, seal windows and doors, and avoid going outside unless absolutely necessary. Wear masks and goggles to protect yourself from ash inhalation. Stay tuned to local news for updates on air quality and safety measures. The eruption of the Yellowstone supervolcano has caused widespread ashfall, affecting air quality across multiple states. The Environmental Protection Agency has issued an air quality advisory for the eastern United States. Residents are urged to limit outdoor activities, use air purifiers if available, and follow health advisories. Ash cleanup efforts are underway, but it may take several days to restore safe air conditions. Stay indoors and stay informed through official channels.